how to use Python virtual env to switch to different version of Python. So it might be possible that you are having two version of Python 2.7 and 3.7 in your system, or Python 2.7, Python 3.5, or you can have multiple systems. But by default your system will be having only one version. Maybe you are using 3.5 or 3.7. 2.7 is going to obsolete very soon in 2020. This is 2019, so it's still in use. So I'll show you some of the difference. For example, you can get a scenario where you want to execute your code using Python 2.7, but by default your system is having 3.7 or 3.5. So in that case it will be a subtle task to uninstall the 3.5 or 3.7 and then again install the 2.7 and then again use it. So it's better to switch between one Python version to another Python version in a quick time and then execute the code. So first step will be to check which is your current version. So to just check current version is 3.7.3. Now what you have to do is to install virtualenv pip3 install virtualenv. Okay, so it's already there in my system. Okay, okay, so I will switch to Python 3, Python 2.7. I will switch using this command. So first is the virtualenv command, and the second argument is the name of your instance, name of your virtual environment minus p, and then Python version you want to switch. So if I'll switch to 2.8, it will not it will throw error because 2.8 is not there in my system. So this directory will be created test 2.7. Okay, I am in 2.7. So this is having bin. So you have to just source bin activate. So before that I will try to show which version Python by default is 3.7.3. So I will execute a program using Python day 1. I will copy to this directory and then I will execute this program. Okay, I will just do some modification. So in Python 2.7 syntax and 3.7 there is some difference. So one of difference is in 2.7 you don't need the bracket in print statements. For example, this one. So in 3.7 it should throw error. So it's throwing error. We are still using 3.7.3. So I want to switch to the other version, that is 2.7. So I am in my 2.7 environment. So now I have changed my, so I will execute Python. So you can see I am using Python 2.7.10. Okay, so I will execute the program. So it's not throwing any error. That's like argument error, so if it's required. Okay, so I'm getting no errors related to syntax. So I have deactivated it. And again I have come to my original version. So it is very easy to switch between one version to another version. You can try it from your side. Thanks for watching this session.